welcome back. This is Cetriya, Cetriya, and welcome to day 2 of 100 days of making comics. So right off the bat, first to say, I am sorry I just learned that the 100 days actually requires 30 minutes instead of 20 to 25 minutes. Well, I'll just make that back up on Saturday, as Saturday will be my long day, and I'll definitely work on a comic for longer than just the 20 or 30 minutes. So anyhow, guys, first to say thank you for the lovely comments of the previous videos. Please keep those coming. And I'm learning a bit about what you guys are hoping to look for, and I've decided that for the first week at least, I will go ahead and post daily, and then after that, depending on how you guys interact with the videos, I'll just go with the flow as with that, but I will be keeping with the 100 days of making comics challenge. So while just continuing to working on the pencils, it'll be a bit before I get chapter 3 done, and I just thought I'd talk a little bit of I'm sure we're all dealing with this, and that is, distractions. There's a lot of distractions in the world, and of course there's a lot of other things that we all have to do, but I'm talking about the indulgent distractions, and reiterating why I decided to take on this 100 days of making comics challenge. It has taken me 2 years to do 2.5 chapters. That is just sad. There's not really any excuse. I wasn't sick that much. I only work about 42 hours a week. And yeah, there's some family obligations, but really, seriously, 2 years for 2.5 chapters? Like, come on. And of course, in the last couple of months of last year, I just basically gave in and was like, I'm just gonna go read comics. Now, there's a lot of good comics to be reading, and one could lie to oneself and say, well, it's just research, that's how I'm going to learn how to draw comics, is by reading comics. And yeah, it's good to read up on stuff and things, and it's good to have a moment for, a little break here and there. But at the end of the day, you kind of need to actually put your pencil to paper and actually get the work done. So I am definitely, I am a born procrastinator, and things distract me very easily, especially if I am not in the mood, and getting into the mood of doing work will probably be like the next bit of a talk. But that's what's good about these sorts of challenges. They make you learn about yourself, remind you of your bad habits, and kind of just give you something set in stone to do, so that way you do it whether you feel like it or not. And it'll probably nag you in the back of your mind that, hey, I got something to do today, even when you're trying to distract yourself with comics and other goodies. So this is day 2, as I said, and it's the day before. This was a Thursday drawing. I don't think Friday I'm going to record Friday's drawing. Saturday will be a long day. So I'll just lump those two together. So Saturday, you'll see all of a sudden I'll post day 3 and 4, even though I've only posted 3 videos. And last bit is how do I sound? How is the audio? I hear there was a comment about some of my audio, and from time to time I do change up my setting to see what would be the best. Currently I am under blankets with the new mic, and try to keep the sound from being not so bouncy. Also trying to enunciate my voice. So you guys let me know if this sounds pretty good for you, and as always, be sure to leave your question and comments about what you like to see during this 100 days challenge, whether it relates to comics or if it relates to other artwork. I do have some thoughts and idea, but while I'm doing the sketching and penciling stage, I know sometimes it can be kind of boring for you guys to just watch me doing some light, really rough, kind of fugly, ugly, juggly, some kind of pencil work. Really, it's not really beautiful inking work that you can say. So I know it might be a little bit boring. Forgive me for this, but this is the time to go ahead and ask me your thoughts and your questions, and I'll at least answer in the video or at the video. So I do appreciate you guys' comments, and I look forward to reading them, and hopefully you guys look forward to watching these 100 days of making comics challenge. Talk to ya later.